The function of alcohol. The role of alcohol is to disinfect and is volatile. But in the aspect of proofing, its greatest effect is not only disinfection but cleaning. Here's how to use the alcohol properly. Eliminate static electricity. Static electricity is often generated during the process of printing samples, when the air is very dry or the temperature is too low. The phenomenon of static electricity generation will increase. After the electrostatic adsorption of dust particles, you will see particles on the printed samples. Small dumps affect the quality and beauty of samples. Wiping the sample with alcohol can help us solve the troubles caused by static electricity. Restore the sample. When the printed sample is not very satisfactory, we can scrape off the ink of the pattern on the sample. Then we will use the alcohol to complete the restore of the sample. The use of alcohol in UV printers is not limited to this. There are many other uses that we need to explore slowly in the process of use. If you have better use method and skills, welcome to leave message to us or communicate with us if you are interested in the machine. You also can consult.